Hello, my name is Angel Asari, and my project is Slippery Slope, a tire in icy conditions. My question was, how does the material and designs on a tire affect its traction in ice or on slush in icy conditions? I did this project because I used to live in New York for 3 years, and I witnessed many cars driving down the road and they'll lose traction and they'll slide forward, crashing into another car or just crashing into the lake that we used to live by. Many people died as a result of that. If we can find a way to have make those balls, those tires with better traction, we can save many lives. We can reduce costs in medicine, and we can also reduce costs in how much, to fix your car. So the balls I used to test was this rubber ball that has crisscross designs, this ball with parallel lines, and this ball with zigzag patterns. I used one of these balls, another one, and it's just a regular rubber ball without any of the elastic bands. I used a marble and I used a small metal ball. So for the track, I used foam and I used duct tape. And I duct taped it together and taped it to the wall so I could do the trials on it. I put clear tape and then used canola oil to represent the ice or slush. So if you look in the binder, turn to page 21. On page 21, you'll find a graph with every measurement of the ball. I measured the volume and the diameter and the mass and the density of each ball. So if you turn to the next page, those are the trials. For the first trial, you see at the top, the second trial is in the second row, the third trial is in the third row. I measured them in seconds. And turn to the next page. Those are the trials again, but on a line graph. And then next page. This graph is the average of each trial. So as you can see, ball A and the rubber ball, they had the same amount of average time on the track. So the winner would be the one with the most average time because it would be best for it to take longer for you to drive and not slip. You wouldn't want to go sliding down a road really fast because then you'll pass a stoplight or a red light. But the best design was design A because even though they had the same average time, the default ball, it bounced down the track, which would not be good because then the tire's losing grip on ice. So my hypothesis was that this ball would work best, but that's clear it wasn't proven correctly. Thank you for listening to my project. What improvements can I make and what suggestions do you have?